to Word. Microsoft Word is a powerful word processing application that allows you to create a variety of documents, including letters, resumes, and more. Opening a blank Word document. To open Microsoft Word, click on the Start button. Select All Programs and browse for the link Office 2016 and click on it. Once you click on it, you will be presented with a bunch of templates. Let's select a blank document to create a new Word document. Opening an existing Word document. Alternatively, you could also double-click on an already created Word document to open it in Word. Saving a Word document. To save a newly created Word document, click on the File tab. Select Save As option from the list of commands. Select the location, give an appropriate name, and click on the Save button. Closing a Word document. To close a Word document which is already open, click on the Close button which is marked with the cross symbol. The cross symbol is placed in the top right-hand corner. Exiting Microsoft Word. When you finish your work, you should properly exit from Word. Click on the File tab. Click on Close button. Introduction to the MS Word User Interface. Once you click on a blank document, you are presented with an interface of Microsoft Word. The title bar bears the name of the Word document that is displayed. The ribbon is a collection of tools and features at the top of the screen. For accessibility, these tools and features are displayed under different tabs grouped according to their functionality. For an example, if you look at Font Group, you will find everything you need to work with text. Some groups even have an arrow in the bottom right corner that you can click and get even more commands. The Quick Access toolbar in the upper left corner gives you access to frequently used commands. In the bottom left corner, you can find your current page number and word count. The rulers make it easier for you to adjust your document and control the layout of your text. Using zoom controls, you can zoom in or zoom out your document. You can switch between different document views using these three icons. The work area is the space in the center that you create and edit documents.